Hey friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen. Today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic, win-win strategy. This is one of the best strategies that I have learned in my life. I have a wonderful mentor and he taught me this strategy, and once I started realizing the power of the strategy, I think my life was getting much beautiful for me. Now, what is win-win strategy? It's always we say that you have to win, you have to become first. Like from the very young age when you go to your classes or school, the first thing that our parents ask is who is the first rank holder, or will you become first? So it's always we are taught to become first in everything, best in everything, and from that time itself we are in a competition mode with our friends or with others or the people around me, and that is where this comparison starts. So when people ask us so much that are you first or who is the first, we really want to become first. So even if we are not good at it or if the other persons fail, we take it as our success. Most of the time it happens in our life, like with the people who you always compare yourself with. When that person fails, internally we start feeling happy that okay, I am now better. Now this feeling is not actually making you better. This feeling is actually making you smaller in front of your own mind, or you won't actually feel good for a longer time. Now, win-win strategy is a beautiful strategy when you make sure you win, also the other person win, or as a group we all win. We take care of others as well as us. Win-win. Like I win, I want also the other person to win. I will not want the other person to fail when I win. Other person's failure will not give me happiness. This is win-win strategy. And let me just tell you, when you just start practicing this, when you start, helping the other person to also win, I think that makes you more content, more happy than getting the prize yourself. I think that mindset to make others also to grow, to learn, or to become better, that is going to really really help you to become a better person, or that is really really going to help yourself to grow. Now when I realized this, when I understood this, when I started helping my friends and the people around me, with whatever little knowledge I know in the college days, I think I started feeling much better than grabbing the prizes and standing in front of the stages and saying I am the first. When I started sharing my knowledge, now this is one reason why I became who I am, because when people around me are happy or are growing or are feeling better, and if I am a small little reason for their success, I mean, small little percentage, if my words could contribute in their growth, that makes me feel much amazing and much wonderful. So whatever little you can do in your life, help others also to win, and that makes you win. So when you take care of the other person's integrity, other person's growth, that's actually making you much beautiful human, much wonderful human. I believe God, a little part of God is within us, all of us. And that part of God starts working when you have a mind to grow, to give, to become better. It's beyond religion. It's love. It's more about being kind, being compassionate, trying to understand others. It's not affecting you as a person. You don't have to become small. You don't have to adjust with anyone. See, I am a person who likes to be exactly like me, and there are many people who cannot accept me as me. There are so many people who say I am arrogant, I am not trying to understand the people around me. That's okay, but this is how I am. And when people around me accept me as the way I am, I think that's going to make them and me feel much better. So when you accept and help, see, we all are sometimes selfish, we don't realize it. We say we are doing things to make other person feel better, but we do things so that other person stay with us, or we will have some selfish need in trying to correct the other person. But beyond that, accepting the other person as they are, and helping them to grow as a better version of themselves, is going to make you win-win. When the other person win and you are a little dot of contribution in their winning, you are a successful person. So win-win strategies, try to practice. It's maybe with a little word of kindness or a compassion or love, you can just help. Words have power to make miracles in life. Maybe someone is so depressed and you just go and smile can actually make a huge difference in their life. So do practice win-win strategy and win yourself, and that makes the other person also win, and we all let's win together. Thank you so much and love you all.